Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make $30 an hour just by watching videos. And that's paid with PayPal, so it's very easy. You know, it's not a scam, or there are some scams out there, but I'm going to give you some real ones that are not scams. So if you're interested in doing that easy way to make some money, then stay with me. So like I said, you're going to get paid with PayPal. That's very important because that way it's legit. And what you're going to do is you're going to become a tester. It's very easy. It's just like a lot of people that are making websites need someone to test because they themselves have made the website and they know that where to go to get to that place. So to them it becomes like really simple. But for some other people that are going to be end users, it might not be as simple because they did not make the website. So they want to make sure that everyone knows how to do the website. It's very simple. So that's where you come into play. You're going to test the website to see if it's that simple. So there are 3 websites that are not scams, and I'm going to try and remember to put a screenshot. So the first one is trymyui.com. That's that's a website that's legit. It's a good one because a lot of websites out there are a little scammy, but these ones are actually legit. So trymyui.com is the very first one that you want to try. The second one is userlytics.com. Again, I'm going to try and remember to put a screenshot. And the last one is the biggest one that I know of, and that's usertesting.com. That's a larger company. They team up with a lot of big companies like Google and Apple, and I'm not sure if Apple is in there, but you get the idea. Some really big companies, so that way that they are legit. So what you want to do when you go to those websites is you want to create an account. It's going to be very simple. You just have to go through the steps. And that is very easy to do. So it's just really step by step, just like you would on any websites. Especially that those are very easy to do because they know that's their specialty, to make websites easier. So once you've made an account, you're going to have to follow instructions. Like sign up to the website. Click these buttons that are there. Find out, maybe put up, I don't know, download a photo, maybe not even download a photo, probably not. But these tests will take like 5 to 10 minutes each, and it's very simple. And if you do get confused, that's okay, just say that you got confused. So, go through the entire process. Read the questions out loud and think out loud. That's the point of it. You really want to think out loud. Read the questions when you have a question, and just go through the notes. And because that's the way. Like when I first started testing this a while back, I made this and I read the question out loud. I didn't read the question out loud, and it just said that my mic wasn't working. So what you want to do instead is just read the question. Say that, oh, this is very easy, I can see it right up there, or I'm a bit confused because I can't really see where I'm going. You really want to read it out loud, and you don't have to be have a huge be really good at English. You do have to have some basic English, but that's about it. And think out loud. And the problem with that is these websites, they only get a certain amount of tests per week. So but you're with me, so I have a way around this. What you're going to do is, instead of just signing up for one, you're going to sign up to all 3, and then you can make money because you're going to go through the amounts of tests in the first week, and then that's it on the first site. Then go to the second site, then go to the third site, and you're going to be able to make quite a lot of money because you get quite a it's not like surveys or something where you get really cheap money. So these websites are really good, really easy to go through, and that is the way that you're going to be able to make some money very easily. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.